Today let's see Excel VBA project how to create individual stock card for a multiple items you can see. In this folder there's the Excel file naming template. We'll enable the content. Here's the card. You can write your own institution name here and title, item code name, serial number, type, and we are going to print the current quantity and which row, which in the which cell the product is here. So in this cases, for each individual stocks, we are going to print by running this Excel VBA, and it will be saved as PDF file, individual PDF file. Each are different single pages. So you can see this is the few data here. So for each record, this will be printed, the item code name, serial number, and type, everything will be printed, copy and pasted here, and this will be printed as PDF file, and here you can see it will be saved in this folder named as PDFs. I will show you why this is named as PDFs. In this folder, it will be saved automatically, each individual records as PDF. So here as example, there are few 17 records here, and see around 3,000 records in this total records here. But as a sample practice, we will run this sample data 17 records. Old and function S11, you can jump into the VBA as long declared C1 and C2, I file location and I file as string. Then we are setting the C1 and C2 here. C1 data, C2 template, you can see. Okay, then we are assigning this to the iset. Iset is equal to this workbook.worksheet data. You can see this worksheet data in the worksheet range a1.region.count. This is to find how many rows from this data worksheet. From the data worksheet, you can see the totally there are 18 rows. So iset is equal to 18. So for I is equal to 2, iset will be 18. We will copy this data. So for we are going to copy the item code from here. Item code this A001 will be copied and will be pasted here in the cell A3 for that one. From the seed one, selecting the seed one, item of one cells row number 3, column number 1 that will be copied, and selecting the seed 2, we will be paste dot paste special. We will use that in the A3 here. Like that for each 6 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 descriptions are here. Those will be copied for each record and pasted here. That's from the recording. Then finally we are going to print this page as PDF. This will be printed from A1 to you can see until A36. It will be printed as video. So you can see C2 is C2 is the same sheet. I find location. We are assigning from C2 template C P1 cell. P1 cell here it is hidden. You can see the P1 cell. There is a formula here. The part where we are going to save this all PDF, and in the desktop you can see stock card here. Stock cards in this desktop. Also, you can see in my desktop, stock card folder is here. In that particular folder, there is that Excel file there. So where is the Excel file exists in that particular folder, I created another folder naming PDF. You can see. That's why in the stock card folder, there's a folder called PDFs. Then finally, there will be a slash here. You can see. So now we will hide this column into the coding window. So I that is the I file location. So I file that is the file name. How we are going to rename the PDF file for each individual stock card. C2SH2 that is C2 is 10.c is it. From there the range A3. The range A3 is this one. This one that is the item code. You can see item code is this one. For the first PDF, this is the code. Then there will be underscore. Then the C3 range that is C3. Here you can see that is the item name. So for the first PDF, the code underscore the item name will be renamed as PDF for each individual stock cards PDF. So dot PDF. Then we are going to print as PDF. That is, this is for the line, just a single line. C2 that is template seed from A1 to K36 is all seeds. Individual seeds will be quoted as fixed form. Type Excel, type PDF, file name, I file location, and I file. That is already defined here. Then after publish false, we are not going to open the file. We will close the loop. Then finally application card will be. Now we will run. When we run, the all individual stock card PDFs will be printed and seen as PDF in this PDF folder. Okay, now we will close this file. Now from here, old and function f11 key. From here we will put the cases here. Okay, there's no error. Then we will click the run button. Okay, it is running. There are around 17 PDF. So all 17 PDFs will be saved. Okay, now here's the stock. Everything printed as PDF and saved. Now we will close this and we'll go to the desktop and open the stock cards and PDF file. You can see there are 17 PDFs. Okay, for example, we will open this SV030. It is a initial join. Open this. Okay, you can see one page. Each have one page stock card. Okay, ACE030. ACE030, this one. That is the universal item, universal join, and there's a serial number. Type is down is the current quantity is 3, which is in the room 24. This log. We can create based on this 3000 data, we can create 3000 individual stock cards for our stock store inventory management. Here you can see here supply in process. After citing the date, supply in from where it is received, with the store and receive this one, how many quantities received, and if there is the current quantity 9, then we receive 3, then balance will be 3 plus 9, 12. Then if we are doing supply out, we should buy received by, and then in the second line in this row, let's say one quantity supply out, total 12 here, one supply out, so remaining will be here 11. Just like that we can do our supply and supply out process by using individual stock card system. Then monthly store check can be done here in the point until here. We have some records, and in this point, there will be audit for the store check using the stock card and physical store. This will be easy for store management for the stock card system. Thank you for watching.